Okay, we'll wait for 1 minute because I see that still people are coming in. So, just a sec. Meanwhile, I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, I think we can continue again. Yeah. Okay, so now let's do the next game.
Yes.
For this, I need you all to be close to the screen. Okay. So let's get closer. Okay, so we have this little tortoise, and this tortoise she's very hungry, so she needs to eat those lettuces. So you need to find her, finding the way. So we're going to start from the tortoise, and with the fingers, we are going to try to find the end of the road. Okay. Let's start from the tortoise, not from the lettuces. Come on, you can start now. Whenever you are done, you tell me, and I'll show you a solution. You can do it with the fingers like this, following.
अगं कसं अडकलंय ना
नाही ना
मग कसं गेलं तर हे बघ हे असं
कसं
मधनं
जाऊ शकतं ना
हो का असं नाही इकडे आहे ना हा आपण असं करायचं
Done?
Yes. How can I
Okay, is
stop?
everyone done? Okay, we'll wait for more 10 seconds and then I'll show you the solution. Yeah? Was it difficult to find? Done? Okay.
Little
Here
bit.
you have the solution.
Yes.
Did you choose the same one?
Yes.
Okay. Please raise your hands if you did it correctly. Raise your hands if it was
Raise
correct.
your hand.
Okay. Wow, so many students got it right. Very good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so first we go to a little bit of pranayama. Do you want to try to do the asanas, the postures for a tortoise and for a rabbit?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you want to try? Okay.
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes.
So first we'll start with the rabbit. Yeah. So come to the mat.
लक्ष दे.
Wait, I'll adjust the camera again. Okay. Let's do it slowly, okay? So bend your knees and flat your feet. Your feet are flat, okay? Someone, let's do it together so I can see you. Yes. Okay, bend your knees. Feet are flat. Yeah. Now we're going to, with our hands, we're going to touch our heels. Okay. So let's touch our heels.
Touch करते ना.
And now we're going to bend forward.
Bend
placing
forward.
our forehead on the floor next to our knees.
Forehead on the floor.
Try to round your spine, okay? You're going to be like rounding. So be here in this pose.
असं करायचंय का अन्वी ते पकडून?
असं जाऊन जायचं बरं.
Okay. Be there for
खाली
30 seconds more. I want to see you how you guys are doing. Very good. Okay, put the forehead more close to the knees.
नीसच्या जवळ चिटकवायचं ते.
Very good, very nice. Wow, I see so many rabbits.
ये जवळ.
Very nice. Okay, whenever you want, you can sit down. Relax, sit down.
Relax.
Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do the tortoise. The tortoise is a little bit more complex. So look at me how I enter. Okay, to the position.
बघ.
Okay, now next position. Yeah, let's go to the tortoise. So we're going to put our feet, our soles of the feet touching each other in front of us. Yes. So the knees are like, so my feet are like this, basically, yeah, but in front of me. So try to do that first. Yes. And now we are going to bend and we are going to try to put the forehead on the floor. Okay.
Forehead
So with the
floor ने touch करायचं.
try to put the forehead on the floor inside.
Inside.
Yes. Okay. And now
Hands
on
मागे
this here,
Hands
see, you can
मागे
see
घ्यायचे.
it's difficult, yeah. Now with the hand, we are going to put them inside.
होईल.
Okay. The hands we are going to put them behind the knees. Look at here, everyone. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. My hand will go under. Yes. See my hands. Where are they? I'm going to show you like this now.
खायचं
My
नाही.
hands are under. Okay. And now I'm going to bend a little bit. Okay. Can you see it? I'm going to the side so you can see it better because it's good. Okay. So first I'll put one hand and my hand is going down. Okay, it's going behind. And the other hand also. And now when I'm here, I'm trying to bend and I'm going to touch the floor for my heel also. Yes? Okay, if anyone is in this position, now try to touch the back. If you are in this position, try to touch the back.
Yes, we can do it.
You can do it? Okay. Now I would like to see you. So can you repeat this posture from the beginning? Then I can guide you. Okay. Very good. I see. Good. By the he, Agni, I cannot see you. Yes, good. Now yes, continue. Okay, Rita, very nice. Wow. Okay, come out of the pose slowly. Very nice, son. Very well. Okay, which pose did you enjoy the most? The rabbit or the tortoise?
Tortoise.
The tortoise?
Yes.
Rabbit.
नाही
Okay, so now what we are going to do is in the notebook or in the paper.
मागे करायचं होतं आणि मग पुन्हा असं.
Yes, we are going to draw.
ना रॅबिट.
Rabbit असतो. कसं केलं?
आता काय करतो?
Okay, everyone is with a pencil and with the paper. We are going to draw or one rabbit or the tortoise. It's up to you.
रॅबिट किंवा टॉर्टॉइस
Okay,
तुला काय
whatever you want,
करायचं?
and then we are going to share it with you. Okay, even if we will participate. So now from the memory that you have seen this picture,
असं गोल काढायचा, मग त्याला अशी थोडी मान काढायची पुढे, 4 पाय काढायचे, इकडे 2 इकडे 2.
yes. Okay, so now without checking in the screen, try to imagine, to remember how a rabbit looks or how a tortoise looks. Okay?
Tortoise.
And now let's see. Even I will draw.
खाली का चाललीये? काय काढतीये तू? मग आधी तो गोल काढायचा ना अन्वी. तिथे नाही ग, एवढा खाली पेपर गेला सगळा पुढे आणि वरती काढ. वरती काढ, पहिले तो एक गोल काढ. हा काढ पटकन फास्ट. हा बस, घे गोल घे पूर्ण. हा 2 पाय इकडे 2 पाय तिकडे असतात ना छोटेसे.
Okay, let's try to do it as more realistic as you can. Okay, trying to remember all the elements of the tortoise or how the rabbit looks.
काढ पटकन काढ फक्त. हाफ सर्कल करून काढते ना तू?
Rita, if you are done, you can do the other one. You can do both. You can do the tortoise and the rabbit.
Anvi is done.
Rita, can you come closer? I cannot see it because of the light. Show me. Oh wow. Okay, that's the tortoise. So I think we have time to do the rabbit as well. Title the rabbit. Aisha, can you show me? Can you put it closer?
त्याची शेपूट
More closer to the screen.
नाही असं नाही सगळ्यात दाखवायचंय. दाखव त्यांना. नीट आहे बेटू. इट्स
Oh
ओके.
wow. That is the
Anvi
very nice. So you have done a water, right? The sea
Yes,
tortoise.
both.
Very nice.
Can you see
Both?
it?
What is the other one? No, I can only see one.
Tortoise and rabbit.
Oh yes. Very nice.
तोंड काढ पटकन. लोकांचे दोन
Okay,
दोन
come on, let's see the other one.
जसं काढलं होतं
वेदांत?
करेक्ट होतं. एवढं
वेदांत?
राम. तुला टॉर्टॉइज
Sure.
नाही.
Wow.
अजून थोडं लांब घे. हा आता गोल काढ त्याचा फेस. हा काढ त्याला डोळे.
Okay, come on.
सरक बस.
Count the lines.
I see you have very good artists here as well.
डू इट फास्ट. शो दिसतंय का?
Sure. I cannot see. Can you put it closer to the camera?
एक मिनिट.
Yeah. Now just leave the paper like this.
फोटो नकोय. फोटो नकोय.
फोटो नाही काढते ना.
हे घे.
Okay. Wow, that rabbit is also very good. Very nice. Well done. Okay, that's a turtle. Very nice. Okay, and I think Vedant needs to show yet.
This photos नाही आहे ते असं change करून.
Yes, I am drawing. Okay. So once you are done, please share it with us.
Yes, miss.
पकड तुला. मला कंटाळा आला हातात धरून यार. दुखतंय मला.
मग सेल्फी स्टिक काय करणार?
आवाज काय झाला?
काय
Maithahi, what is that?
Anvi
Can you come closer?
tortoise. Anvi is
The tortoise, right? Very good. Anvi has done that.
yes.
Very good.
हे काय काय?
Wow. Lovely.
मॅडम तुमच्या मुली कुठे आहेत?
आहेत सर.
मग कुठे दिसत?
आमच्याकडे रेंज प्रॉब्लेम झाल्यामुळे
अच्छा. ओके.
ये ना गीता.
Okay.
ही मॅम बोलते.
Come on, Vedant. Let's show this.
अल्बम मॅम. त्यांना म्हणते.
Wow, good tortoise. Well done.
लाईट करते.
Very nice.
थँक यू मिस.
जवळ का जाते?
And show me the other one. What is that?
रेकॉर्डिंग का होतंय?
ते तसंच आहे.
व्हेरी गुड वेदांत.
Vedant, is he your brother wearing red?
Vedant and Advik both have done well.
Advik, show. Advik. Wow. Can you bring it closer? More closer. Wow, very nice. Okay.
नमस्ते अनुराधा मॅम.
Namaste. Rabbit.
अशी नको जवळ.
Very well done. Okay. So now we can keep the drawings aside You can keep it with you because they are very beautiful, all of them. Now we are going to end up the session. Yes. So what have we learned? First of all, I want to know, what did you all learn? Did we learn anything at all?
Yes.
Women's drawing? Yes. What else?
We learned the hare and tortoise story.
Mm-hmm.
We
And okay, we learned the story, but what can we take from it? What
We learned
actually
to
we
be
learn?
focused in our work. How to
Focus in our work. What else?
and then avoid it.
Avoid overeating.
Yeah.
Too much of eating. Yes. And do we also have to be overconfident?
No, we should not have.
No. Otherwise,
Eating.
yeah. Otherwise, we are the rabbit.
ओव्हर इटिंग सांगतात मॅम कंटिन्यू सारखं खाताय असं नाही करायचं
Exactly. We cannot
Very
keep eating. Yes. Very good. We have to be focused. Yeah.
In yoga.
Okay. So now we are going to. Do you remember what the tortoise was doing at the beginning? She was.
तू लक्ष दे टीचर
लक्ष दे ना त्या टीचरकडे. See? Yeah, she was doing meditation, right? So the tortoise also loves to do pranayama. You know what pranayama is? Pranayam?
Yes.
You know? Yes. So we are going to practice today like the tortoise. So we are going to sit on the
Yes.
floor. We can keep our legs crossed or in Padmasana, however you want. And we are going to try to imagine that we are the tortoise. Yeah? So we are focused, we are relaxed, yeah, we are calm. So now what we are going to do is Anulam Vilom. So our right hand, the index and middle finger will go inside. Yes, we have like 3 fingers only. Thumb, ring finger, and the small finger. Yeah. So we are going to close first our left. I mean right nostril. Yeah, our right nostril. We are going to close it. With
वेगळं
thumb.
शिकवते टीचर लक्ष दे अद्वैत
Okay.
लक्ष दे.
And we are going to breathe from the left. Everyone, breathe. And we are going to close it. Yeah. Close.
थांब ऐकू दे थांब.
There is a little bit of noise disturbance. Yeah, so we are going to close the left nostril, and we are going to leave. We are going to breathe out from the right. Yes, so you can see me first. Okay, because it's a little bit confusing. Which hand, which nostril? Nostril means the hole of the noses, of the nose. Yeah. So first, I breathe from the left. Now I close my left and I let it go from the right. Can we do this all together? Come on, let's start. Hands out. Relax the hands. Relax your hands.
घ्यायचा बंद
Now,
करायचं
3 fingers. We
आता
close
left
the right nostril.
बंद करायचं
and
आणि right सोडायचं. आता राईट बंद नीट नाही झालं होतं तुझं इकडचं
Change it and breathe out from the right.
हा आता घे त्यांनी बंद
Now see that. Breathe from the right. Close it and breathe out from the left.
हा
That is 1 round. We are going to do 5 rounds together. Okay, but for that first we need to sit with the back straight. Back straight. Relax your shoulders. I don't want it to be like this. Like this.
इझी आहे
Like this, no. This. Relax. Okay. Right hand. Yeah, sorry. These 3 fingers. Yes. 1, 2, 3. We close the right one. Breathe in. Change it. And breathe out. Come on, everyone. Join me. Now from the right. Change. And left. 1 round. 4 more. Breathe in from the left. Leave from the right. Now breathe in from the right. Close it. Breathe out from the left. 3 more rounds. Breathe in from the left. Close it. Breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right. Close it. Breathe out from the left. Very good. Only 2 more rounds. Breathe in from the left. Breathe out from the right. Now breathe in from the right. And breathe out from the left. Just one more round. Come on, be with me. Come on, focus. Come back. Breathe in from the left. Breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the left, from the right. Close it and breathe out from the left. And relax. Very good. So we have done pranayama 5 rounds. Yeah, this is like the tortoise dance. So we are going to finish the session here. Do you have any doubts or anything to say? Or otherwise we'll chant Gayatri Mantra. And we cannot hear you. You have to unmute. Gita,
Yes.
you want to say something?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, we
so
can
now
get some
all the
feedback
students.
from the kids. How did they like the session? Yeah.
Yes, that's
Stamp, I like.
Ma'am, I like the session.
thank you. Very good.
Can you please tell it?
Thank you.
It was a nice session. It was a nice session.
Thank you everyone. So now I want you to chant the mantra and you are going to, I'm going to repeat it, okay? Because sometimes I forget. So I want you to chant it and whoever doesn't know it will repeat it after you, okay? So now you can start. Will you guys?
Wait a minute. Ma'am, can't hear
Okay.
you.
Come on. So you guide me, okay? Oh, you hear me? Yeah? Okay. Come on. Students, you start singing and we will chant with you. Jarls, okay?
Ma'am, which mantra?
The Gayatri Mantra.
Ma'am, please speak
प्रार्थना
loud.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Start.
बसते तन्वी.
Okay. So now I want one volunteer who is going to guide. Okay, only one volunteer. Who wants to volunteer? Nandini? Okay, so now everyone please mute. Everyone mute. And Nandini, you can start. Okay, we'll follow you. Come on, Nandini.
Om Bhul Bhuvasvaha
Om Bhurбhuvah Swaha.
Tatsavitur Valenyam
Tatsavitur Varenyam.
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi.
Yo Yona Prachodayata.
Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Okay, we are going to chant Om 3 times together, so you can unmute yourselves. Yeah, unmute yourself, everyone. So you can chant Om 3 times, okay, and Shanti 3 times. So come on.
सोबत एकत्र.
If you feel very hot on your hands,
Let us
and put
know.
the hand on the top of your eyes. Feel the heat to your eyes and slowly open your eyes and extend your hands to your body. Hands to the body. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste, ma'am.
Thank you,
Namaste.
everyone. Thank you, all the students. You have been very good artists, very good yogis. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for conducting the session.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
थोडं
Okay. So, yes.
ऐक ऐक
And I hope for all the other teachers, it was really wonderful. A good learning experience to enjoy how kids can have fun and at the same time learn from different activities of yoga. So thank you again, Alva, and see you again tomorrow. Yes, all are ready to join the team tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Everyone ready for tomorrow?
Bye.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you.